Mikey Smith, Jamaica's revolutionary voice in dub poetry. His words cut through oppression, echoing the struggles of the working class. Born in 1954, Mikey grew up in a turbulent Jamaica. He found his voice through dub poetry, blending Jamaican patois with social commentary. His most powerful piece, "Me Can't Believe It," confronted political violence and injustice, capturing the anger of the oppressed. His words resonated, but they also made him enemies. In 1983, Mikey attended a political rally. An argument broke out, then tragedy. He was brutally attacked, reportedly by political thugs armed with stones. Mikey Smith died on the spot. He was only 28. Rumors spread. Was it politically motivated or just a street dispute gone wrong? To this day, the truth remains buried. Though silenced too soon, Mikey Smith's words echo through time. This is Ras Levy. Subscribe to Reggae Vault for more.